Black market in hair transplant? What is that? Why should I bother? I'm not bothered about any black market in hair transplant. How does it affect me? I'm not bothered at all. I just want a hair transplant. I have chosen a very nice clinic. Why the hell should I bother about black market in hair transplant? What is it? It bothers you, dear. So be careful. You heard about a case recently. A Frenchman committed suicide recently, and he had gone to Turkey to a very good clinic, very good hospital for a hair transplant. He got a hair transplant from a surgeon whom he believed to be a surgeon, and when the hair grew up on the beard, it was just like a hedgehog. They were just standing out. They were very unaesthetic. They were not at all in natural direction. Unnatural direction, unnatural placement, unnatural density, and unnatural designing. That led to a severe depression to him. That depression took his life. He committed suicide recently. It is a big news in Europe now. Many of the Europeans and Americans, they go to Turkey in search for cheap hair transplants. That is not true, my friend. Don't go to any clinic just because it's cheap. Just look at the credential of the doctor who is doing it. Later it was discovered that the person who did his transplant, that the surgeon who did his transplant was not a surgeon at all. He was basically real estate agent. He was not even a doctor. So be careful. Always check the credential of your doctor. A qualified doctor will never hide his degrees. He will display them properly in his clinic, on his boards outside the clinic, so that you can verify, okay, he is a really qualified doctor. Just don't fall for anybody else, okay? These days, when you go to such fake clinics, black market clinics, what you will see is every technician, every 10th fail, 12th fail, every technician will be called a doctor. So, doctor, how are you? Hello, doctor, how are you? No. Everybody who is called a doctor in a clinic may not be a doctor. They may just be imposters. And once you lose your donor area, you are not going to regain it in your lifetime. It's gone forever. So be careful. This donor is a God gift. It's a God gift to you. Take care of it properly. Always be in safe hands. Most of the times, if you go to a clinic which has a doctor who is affiliated with ISHRS, International Society of Hair Surgeons and Surgeons, there are chances that you will not be fooled. He will be a good doctor, he will have years of experience, and he will follow all the guidelines and the steps laid down by the ISHRS. So you can be sure that you are in safe hands. So take care and choose your doctor and clinic carefully. Thank you.